All right, how do you think things went today, Doug?
Think is probably the correct term. Is that it's things to work on, putting my weight where it needs to be, but then practicing to get the feel for different
Yeah,
different shots I'm
it's
hitting.
definitely a feel shot, and it's gonna take
Takes practice.
4 or 5 times of coming out here. We have that wedge range, luckily that'll be open in a couple of weeks for you. That we have 20, 40, 60, 80, and we can then you can judge in between too. So 30s halfway in between 20 and 40, 50s halfway in between 40 and 60, and it's just a good gauge. So that's a great practice opportunity. And then if you're not going to play, right, we can just come back out to these practice holes and put it in an in-course setting, right? Because that range out there, the poles are kind of just in the middle of nowhere. It seems a little more relaxing. When you get bunkers around you and stuff like that, that's where the pressure starts to ramp up a little bit. Same thing can we take what a full swing we were working on the range onto the course, same thing here. Can we take these half swings that we were working on the range where there's nothing going on to the course where now we got everything in play. Wind, bunkers, stuff like that, different type of grass, different
airplanes.
Airplanes too. But yeah, I think the big thing was keeping that weight forward just helps us trap that ball a little bit more and reduces the two-way miss of pulls and chunks. I mean, we did have some pulls, but we didn't have any. We maybe had 1 or 2 chunks there, right? We kind of eliminated that second miss. Now we only have 1 miss, which is better. You're not worrying about which one is it going to be if I mess up. Now you know which one it's going to be left if I mess up. So we'll let this airplane fly. But yeah, I think definitely improvement from start to finish. It's just going to take practice, but you're out here enough. And,
It's only April.
It's only April, so by the time May and June comes around, I think you'll feel more confident too. It's physical, but it's also mental. The more reps you get in, the more confident you feel in your brain that I can actually do this instead of like, ooh, what's gonna go wrong here? So this shot deals with both. I mean, golf's a mental game too in general, but this shot especially, just the more confidence you have, the more likely you are to pull it off. So thanks for taking time for this lesson series. Obviously, willing to do more lessons throughout the year if you want. This doesn't mean it's the end of it. But this helps with my PGA work, and really thankful that you gave me the time to help you out, and hopefully we can see some improvements during the summer.
It's helpful to me too. So it's both ways.
So thanks again. Any other future lessons, just let me know, and we can keep working. So
sounds good.
Thanks again.
All right, thank you.